everyone, how's it going? Today I have a short video to show you how to use the XRP Ledger JavaScript SDK to send a payment. So we have here a simple project. It's a TypeScript project. So I have a tsconfig.json. I have my package.json, which includes all the dependencies. So one dependency that you will need is XRPL. All right, so you can have it by doing an npm install XRPL. For me, it's gonna show that it's up to date, and we have some dev dependency. I'm using TS Node to be able to run TypeScript files and TypeScript, of course. And so I have a start script where I use TS Node to read directly the index.ts that I'm gonna create right now. Okay, so here we have a source directory, and this is where I'm gonna create my send payment file, sendpayment.ts. And this is where we're going to write the logic to send the payment with XRPL.js. Okay, so let's start by creating the function called sendPayment. And we make it async because we're going to play with promises. So the first thing to do is to initialize the client. So the client will allow us to interact with XRP Ledger. So to do that, we have a const client equals new client. This we import from XRPL.js, and we have the WebSocket URL for the testnet. We're going to use the testnet here today. First, once we have that, we have to connect the client. Okay, so the way to do that is to use client.connect, and of course we need to disconnect the client at the end of the logic. So basically we're going to write the code in between. All right, so now that we have here, what do we need to do for sending a payment? We need a sender wallet and a receiver wallet. So the sender wallet, we can get it by using the client and a function called fund wallet. So let's do like const sender equals await client dot fund wallet. Okay, and if we don't pass any argument to the function, it means that it's going to create a new wallet. Otherwise, we can pass a wallet and it's going to just fund that specific wallet. But let's do it like this, and we'll have as well the receiver wallet. Receiver equals await client.fund wallet. One thing actually that this function returns is a promise with the wallet and the balance. So what we can do is extract the wallet, call it the sender, and extract the balance, and let's call it sender balance. And same thing for the receiver. So we'll extract the wallet, call it receiver, and the balance, and we call it receiver balance. And we can console log this to show you that this is working well. Sender wallet, and console log the balance, sender balance, sender balance. Here actually I'm going to show you the address of the wallet that we created, and let's do the same thing for the receiver. So console log receiver wallet, receiver.address, and same thing, console log receiver balance, receiver balance. Okay, now once we have this, let's create an index.ts file, and we'll just run this send payment function. Let's see if it works. So we're going to go to the terminal. I'm going to clear the terminal and run npm start. So it's going to take like a couple of seconds for the wallets to be funded with 100 XRP. Let's wait. All right, now we have the sender wallet and the receiver wallet. So we can quickly, for example, take this and go to an explorer, type the address, and we can see that we have a first payment of 100 XRP to fund the wallet and enable it. All right, let's go back to the code and let's go back to the send payment. Now the logic is to construct the payment JSON object to include different fields that we need. So we have some optional and mandatory fields. So let's do a const payments. We type it as payment. That's provided by the XRPL library. So we have a few mandatory field. One is account, that's the sender address. So we use sender.address. We have the transaction type, which is a payment. We have the destination, the wallet that is going to receive the funds, so receiver.address. And we have the amount. So the amount here is written in, it's expressed in drops, and drops, one drop is 1 millionth of XRP. So either we can write 1 million to basically say that we want to send 1 XRP, or there is also a nice helper which is called XRP to drops, and there you can pass like the amount in XRP. So let's say, I don't know, like 15 XRP we're going to send from the sender to the receiver. The next thing is then to autofill, to sign and to submit the transaction to the ledger. So for this, the XRPL.js library provides us a very nice function called submit and wait. So let's see that in action now. So we have constant response equal wait client.submit and wait. And we pass the payment first, but we need to pass as well an object with different options. So one is autofill. We are going to set it to true, and autofill is going to add a few fields to this payment object here, such as the fee that we need to pay for the transaction, or the last ledger sequence that will allow us to make sure that a transaction is validated or not. We need to as well add another option, which is the wallet. So we need to pass the sender wallet, because that's the wallet that's going to sign the transaction. If we look at, for example, the sender, we have a sign function here. You see that we could sign a payment if we wanted to do it in multiple steps. So we have this, we have now the response, and what we can do is to console log the response, payment response. All right, so we're going to also create new wallets, because we're going to call again the fund wallet function. Let's have a look. Let's call npm start. We have the sender and the receiver wallet, new ones. And now we have the payment, which is successful. So we have this response. You see we have the transaction result is test success. The delivered amount is 15 XRP. So we see 15 million here, because again we are in drops. The status is validated. We have validated true here. And if we go again to an explorer, let's look at this one. That's the sender wallet. We see that first we had this 100 XRP to fund it, and now we have this 15 XRP that have been sent to the address ending by EF. And if you open this one, the receiver, same thing, we see the 15 XRP, and we have a balance of 115 XRP. And here, it's going to take it's taking time to load. Let me refresh the page quickly. We should have a balance of 85. Actually, it would be 84.999 something, because we have the fee as well that have been deducted. All right, I hope that video was useful. Let me know in comments if you have any questions. See you soon. Bye.